if I'm live. It's still okay. Now I think I'm live and it's saying connect streaming software. That's totally fine. Okay. So what is the goal? The goal for today is I am working on a positionless Swift thing. Let me show you what it is. Right. So this is something I'm doing for Hilo community, and I'm trying to explore what exactly is the future of generic programming. So I'm working with Dave Abrahams on this one. Okay, I got a message. There are so many discussions going on. Currently, I'm trying to implement slices for this model, generic n-section model. I think this is the model we all agreed in the Hilo meeting for working. So I'm going to try that itself. Anyways, I think I should turn on screen keys because that is something every streamer does, right? Let me start with collection.swift. So I have collection. My plan was working on mutable collection actually. So I need to think if mutable bidirectional collection is mutable collection and bidirectional collection, is it good enough or not? Um, I think this is not good enough, right? Because here we have to say that the slice of this collection actually inherits from mutable bidirectional collection, right? Because if you are coming from Swift, a slice of a slice has the same type as a slice. So let me have a mutable bidirectional collection.swift. Clearly I need to buy a new keyboard and mutable collection. Let me take all of this and I have to get good with it, right? That's why I did DAP. Okay. And here what I need to say, protocol mutable bidirectional slice, and it should come from mutable bidirectional collection from a and that's it, or some slice. It should come from some slice. I guess it should come from a mutable slice. I have no idea. uh, Bidirectional slice, mutable slice, right? So it should come from all these things according to me. Now it might be true or might not be true. I Let me write the talk for that. So a slice obtained from a mutable bidirectional collection. And I do not like this mutable bidirectional collection idea because it just breaks the idea of composition. But yeah, I do not have any great alternative for now. Anyways, uh, so mutable bidirectional collection, and I also need a protocol for mutable bidirectional partition. And from where does it come from? It should be a bidirectional partition plus it should also refine from a mutable partition, I guess. Mutable Partition. That is a tough part. It's so tough part, right? Uh, and I need to say where. What is that? By subsequence is actually mutable by directional slice. So that is something I need to say right now. Let me think about it. Mutable bidirectional partition should come from bidirectional partition for sure, and it should come from mutable partition. I'm not sure if I did it for other things like let's say random access collection. So yeah, random access partition comes from bidirectional partition, and I guess mutable partition comes from partition, and so mutable bidirectional partition should come from bidirectional partition as well as mutable partition. So that's true, right? Yeah, that is nice. Okay, also for mutable bidirectional part collection, I think one thing we need to say that the subsequence follow mutable bidirectional slice, as well as we need to say what is other thing, parts need to follow mutable bidirectional partition, right? So these are the two things I want for mutable bidirectional collection, right? And we need a dock for uh, mutable bidirectional partition, uh, partition obtained from mutable bidirectional collection, right? That totally makes sense. I think I need to have a mutable random access collection as well. So I think I had that in mutable collection. So let me put that for mutable random access collection. And for mutable collection, I am okay with what was there. Okay, so mutable random access collections comes from mutable bidirectional collection plus random access collection. So these two things are good. What is next? I need to dry my clothes too, but yeah, that I can do later. So let me try protocol mutable random access slice, and it should come from mutable bidirectional slice and random access collection. So it should come from both things. Nice. Okay, I need to answer to my sister. That's really necessary. Let me answer her. Anyways, so a slice obtained from mutable random access collection, that should be a documentation. I know these are just bad of a documentation, but I do not have any choice right now. Protocol mutable random access partition, and it comes from mutable bidirectional partition, I guess. yeah, but where subsequence is actually mutable random access slice. Okay, I'm not sure should I have these empty protocols or not in my design, but uh, currently I'm having that just for symmetry purposes. And here mutable random access collection derives from mutable bidirectional collection and random access collection. So I would put a constraint, and that constraint is the subsequence type should derive from mutable random access slice, right? And the part should derive from mutable random access partition. Hmm. And I should not have that punctuation comma there. That seems nice to me. That is good enough for me. At least for mutable random access collection and mutable random access partition. Anyways, um, so what is a mutable collection? I think I'm good with the protocols right now. So I would go and change the standard implementation. So I am trying to implement this collection hierarchy for array type of Swift. So if you do not know, Swift already has a collection hierarchy, but we are trying to have a different collection definitions that does not depend on the location of element. Uh, so that is fine. Currently, I need few more things. Hmm. So random. So I think array slice should derive from mutable random access slice. So that should be the goal, right? And it's saying add steps for performance. That is fine. Wow. Due to some reason, it is saying it needs so less of changes. So and parts is array partition, right? Swap ends. Hmm. Oh. Um. So here was if I come to array, I did self 0 and self count -1. I think I should not do that. And what I should do is self dot start index, right? And here self dot in index -1. So that would be actually helpful, right? Hmm. And same goes for self dot start index, self dot in index -1. So swap like that. So swap ends I can just use the same thing, right? Drop last, drop first. So I don't know if we can change uh, the first and last of thing. So I would like if is empty, so return false simply. Uh, if it's not empty, how can I drop things? The last element. Right, so I need to know what exactly is an array slice. Array slice. I think I have Swift Statlib open. Okay. Okay, we have array slice. So, wow, so nice. I think somehow I got an electricity problem, or is it even not there? Oh, it's working. Oh, I have a person. Hey, hi, Rishabh bhai. Hello. Yeah, that's it. I don't know if my stream is still working or not. Is it working? Anyways, I have to work on this drop dash and all these things, so cannot complain right now. Hmm. So, what is drop first and drop last thing? Oh, I can check on my phone, right? If my stream is actually working or not. I think it's. Do you plan to make content related to C++? I can try. I can try. Content related to C++. I have been a contributor to C++ standard library, so I can try that. So currently I have this listed expected thing. I am implementer of this thing. So what are you interested in? You can say to me. I'm learning to stream, so you can expect I would not do it the best way possible, but yeah. So I'm implementer of this thing of C++23, and I have done few more contributions like Facebook's libinfx and Nvidia's TEDxec. Okay, I have the second, and I know this person's Shantanu. Yeah. क्या हाल चाल है? बढ़िया भाई, बढ़िया बढ़िया बढ़िया. I'm trying to learn to stream, so yeah. So बढ़िया हाल है. I guess शांतनु भी अपने घर पे होंगे, तो भाई तभी मेरी स्ट्रीम देख रहे हैं. Okay, let me try continuing on what I was doing. कहाँ हो? अपने फ्लैट पे. फ्लैट में भाई. बट तुम देख रहे हो C++ का क्या हाइप है. मैं आराम से स्विफ्ट लिख रहा हूँ एंड हाइप C++ की चल रही है. तो यार C++ is C++. Anyway, so what I need to see is array slice. I don't know. So one thing I want to see if I can use this buffer. This is internal. I do not know. I can use it. I don't think so I can use it. चलना है कहीं. भाई स्ट्रीम बंद करा के ले ही चले यार. कहाँ चलना है बताओ, वहाँ चलेंगे. मुझे जो देखना है वो है कि क्या हमारे पास पॉप फर्स्ट और पॉप लास्ट या ऐसा कुछ है क्या। चेक सबस्क्रिप्ट, गेट एलिमेंट एड्रेस नहीं यार। सो हियर इज द थिंग, अगर मैं यहाँ नीचे आऊँ सो आई थिंक डेव अब्राहम्स ने करो करो स्ट्रीम करो, अरे बता दो कहाँ चलना है, वहाँ चलेंगे, नो प्रॉब्लम। सो मुझे याद है कि कहीं तो डेव अब्राहम्स ने कहा हुआ है रिगार्डिंग दिस जेनेरिक स्लाइस यू कैन अवॉइड इट इफ यू बिल्ड योर ऑन एरे टाइप। मुझे लगता है कि मुझे एरे टाइप बनाना पड़ेगा, दैट इज द ओनली थिंग आई हैव। नेक्स्ट वीकेंड चलते। अभी तुम कहाँ हो, घर पे हो, कहाँ हो या नोएडा हो? सो मैं एक्चुअली इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करना चाहता हूँ अभी के लिए फॉर द स्टार्ट, क्योंकि मुझे एग्जैक्टली मालूम भी नहीं है कि पोजीशनलेस डिज़ाइन का फ्यूचर क्या है टैग पे नोएडा। ठीक है, एक काम करते हैं, मैं बस ये वाला पीआर मेरे को रेस करना है क्योंकि मुझे नेक्स्ट हाइलो मीटिंग से पहले मैं चाह रहा हूँ ये पीआर मैं एक्चुअली वहाँ पे डिस्कस कर सकूँ। तो 1 घंटे में चलते हैं, चलेगा? एनीवेज, तो मैं इस चीज़ को इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करना चाह रहा टू बी ऑनेस्ट, मीडिएटिंग स्लाइस वाली चीज़। मुझे लग रहा है कि मुझे पूरा नेक्स्ट वीकेंड करते। तो पूछ क्यों रहा था भाई? ठीक है, तो मैं कोई स्ट्रीम कर लेने देता आराम से। यहाँ पे चैट कर रहा हूँ बैठ के मैं कि हाँ नेक्स्ट वीकेंड चलते हैं, अभी घूम लेते हैं। नींद आ रही, ठीक है कोई नहीं। भाई नींद में मेरी स्ट्रीम क्यों देख रहे हो? नींद में सो जा भाई, ठीक है। नींद राइनो समझ गया था भाई, ठीक है। anyway, मुझे एक तरीका फिगर आउट करना है जिससे कि मेरे को अपना एरे टाइप ना लिखना पड़े। Swift is really bad in this thing. I don't know. I remember he must have implemented this whole thing somewhere. Yes, yes. I think so. This no. Oh, this is so old of a website. No one uses C++.com now. Everyone uses CPU reference. Oh, Sprint 20. I don't know why he's using that. Yeah, this is the implementation I was referring to. Nice. So if I don't know if I'm blocked on this thing, like should I implement shims? Should I implement this whole thing? I want to implement contiguous array for sure, but this is just too big of an implementation for my purposes at least. I really do not want to do that. I have learned a bit of C++, not sure how to figure out more advanced C++, especially things related to generic programming. Oh, that is nice. And all as they have more specific use cases. What you'd suggest? My suggestion would be learning iterators and all those things, because iterators are really important. Did you ever get a chance to watch CppCon videos? So this is one of the great videos I would suggest by Nikli, and yeah, it would help you get the basics of the iterator. iterators are important. I think C++ is a very very complex language, and besides I'm the contributor to that language, I do not recommend learning the language at all because it's really complex. But I really recommend learning about iterators and STL. STL is something really really beautiful, and I need to say Alex Stepno did one of the most important work. If I compare it with Java, STL is way 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 better in terms of algorithms. Okay, so maybe you can try watching this video so that you can learn the basics of iterators. And yes, I watch C++ videos, CPCon. Okay, CPCon videos, they are great. For sure they are great, for sure. uh, if you are watching this, then I don't know what do you want to watch. Do you know about move semantics, like move references and universal references, those things? If you know about those things, then I can help there, like then you are already doing so great. If not, then I can recommend you this clause video. Wait a minute. Oh, you know about that? Oh, nice, so nice. Okay, you are doing really great on that one. So I then recommend uh, Sean Parent. Let me put Sean Parent in the chat. Uh, Sean Parent videos for sure. And if you're watching Sean Parent videos, then we can discuss. Like I can literally connect after stream. Like that's it. I that should be really really amazing if someone is watching Sean Parent videos and that person is communicating with to me and that person has name Rishabh. Okay, I would be excited to see the answer. Like that is a big bet. Did you watch Sean Parent videos and do you like Sean Parent videos? If so, please. Anyways, let me try. Let me see. What should I do for? Hmm. So, to be honest, in RSSTL, this is and just saying why I am saying good things about STL is I'm a big fan of it, and I am currently trying to port the whole STL to Rust. So yeah. Mm, I remember if I go for Slice First Year wala. No, Slice First Year is the PR by Dave. It's not. I'm not seeing that. Where is that? Rewrite with Slice First, and this is the one. I think somewhere here he had said that it's worth experimenting with generators, uh, but that's in Rust context. I don't know if I can use some of it in Swift context or not, for at least my current work on positionless tool. Hmm. Anyways, oh, I need to see this. Is there some way for drop last or something? Let's see if I have that inbuilt in array, so that's nice. Oh no, we do not have that. Or pop? No. I am fine with generic slice also, because even currently I'm doing the same thing, right? I really hate this copyright optimization right now. So let me see. Do we have drop? We have drop. Drop first 5. This is not what I want. Okay, this is not what I want. By any chance, public where start index and end index. I can try this generic slice thing itself. Hmm. Because here the start index and end index is public, and that was not the case with array slice, right? If I'm correct, it was internal. Yeah, because it makes sense. It should be internal because this is just some pointer, and it's not a good thing for safe language. Okay, nice. So what is going to be the my way? Should I just go for? Let me check the array partition implementation. So um, in array partition, I remember I used to change many things. Array slice, midway with part. So I used to write back array slice, so that is for sure. And even with mutable slice, I am writing back. So I think I can just use write back slice and start doing things. Let me try that. So instead impl write back slice from Swift. I can just yp okay, and get rid of write back array slice, write back slice. Slice does not have. Okay, now that's one bad. Slice is a protocol in my definition, right? Because here, for me, slice is a protocol. Hmm. I don't know. Even I think, if I'm right, Slack, Dave Abrahams agree with the same. So, uh, did Slack open? Yeah. Oh, it's so slow. Cannot believe this is the speed of Slack I have. Might be a network issue. Okay. I agree with you about the slashing protocols too. Hmm. Uh, so, if I want to get rid of this idea of indexing, I need slashing protocols for sure. Because indexes are not good for parallel programming, right? If you think about safe concurrent programming, and if you have a collection, you divide it into four different collections, and I try to access, you know, uh, another same collection but on different index, then yeah, that's a problem. However, I know Rush does some of the things like for the inbuilt slice type, it always starts from zero. unlike Swift. So that is something I can discuss with Dave maybe in the next Halo meeting. Not sure. I want to see. Oh, okay. It's gone. Cannot do that. Mate with value semantics. I want. I don't know if we have something for my project. So what I'm searching is, what if I project a part out of data structure and some of the part of that projected thing is actually a part and the other part is not actually a part, and my original data structure was a const. So what should be the semantics of uh, like the projected thing, and I'm not sure what it should be. Anyways, so yeah, let me. But then, how can I get the slice out of it? There is no way, right? Is there some slice new or something? Slice in it that is internal. I'm not hatching. Anyways, it's 5:49. I think I should end the stream. I do not do any good work. Start index. We have public in it, so that's good. And I can have range of bounds. Do I want to go fully with this thing? I am not seeing I have any other way currently. So, oh yeah, that's a big decision for me at least. So I'll get rid of every slice at least. So I'll do slice, and now wow. That's slice of array. Oh, and then I get into this problem. I should know how to namespace things. Can I write? Let me ask ChatGPT. Somehow I specify start slice kind of thing in Swift. I have a slice protocol for wishless lines. I cannot use slice directly. No, that's bad. I don't want correction slice or contiguous slice or something like that. Segment, that's all bad. Span. No. 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 I want to write slice, but make compiler understand it's not my slice of module, but I want to reference standard library slice. I have already used slice everywhere. Okay, that was it. Okay, we have swift.slice, that's fine. So standard IMPL.
Let me down easy.
Swift.slice, that's nice. Okay, it works. Let me type alias stat slice equal to swift.slice.
But the last goodbye.
It's fine.
Let me down easy. Let me down easy. Let me down easy. Let me down easy. Let me down easy.
Good collection. It's not mutable. How? Why? Reference to generator requires arguments element. Base. That is a big problem I am doing. I need to write Swift because Rust cannot express that, and Swift is not my primary language. So how to express this? I'm so bad at it. How to express this? Element is not useful for compiler. Press minimum element is not useful for array element, where element, no, element extension of, and we can have like this. So what is all of this does not work at all. I'm fine with writing Swift.slice. How to write it? Swift.slice element. idea, to be honest.
Let me down easy.
Yeah, fine. Okay. Mm, I should start slowly, right? Um,
Round one.
hmm.
Round one.
Need collection. Okay, what are the things? Uh, Sweater slash shirt. Action slice. So we have associated type collection. So yeah, associated type subsequence. I guess I've done that. Associated type parts. I've done that. So is empty. Hmm. Self dot. I think that's good enough. Well, I think I've done it somewhere. Right. So we are done with parts. With parts and with slice, right? So one is count. How did I edit it? Count? Where count? I do not need count because usually if it's element is a collection, and it's a slice, then slice will have count, so I don't need count at all. So I need with slice for sure. Right. So I think I can just call f with self. Right. F with self. And that's good enough. And what is with parts? I think I can copy with parts like this. I need to think, like, this is too much for now. So yeah. With parts, is it good? With parts.
So high, do you think of my heart? Do you have the time? Do you think of my heart?
All of it currently is. I would remove array part. I think I need to write everything from scratch. I need to write everything from scratch. That's my thing, because what I can do is I can build this higher level model on the model of indexes. So array partition, storage, but how do we?
Do you think of my heart? Hey, I need a love right now.
Okay, we go for unsafe. Go for safe code. Okay, makes sense. I need to think of it. I think it's a good time to stop. There is just too much of thing to write now, because array partition is not working how I want it to be. And same goes for slice. Anyways, yeah, that's all. I think I would like to end the stream now and go and walk, because that's just too much for me. Yep.